326 is going to be Jesse Sepra. Jesse from Williamsfield, Ohio. The 517 is going to be David Wilson from Lamont Furnace, Pennsylvania. The 028, Jordan Fricke. There's a good look at Jesse Sepra right there. The 14 is going to be Sean Goldshot from Dayton, Ohio. The 911, Steven Sickles, currently ranked second in the Unified Point standings, Uniontown, Pennsylvania. He's in the number 911. There's the 62, Joe Thomas, Cadiz, Ohio. Jeremy Riley will be in the Riley machine. He's from DeMossville, Kentucky. The 336 is Brian Angel from DeMossville. 1506 is going to be Travis Coffey. He's from Muncie, Indiana. The 1504, Nathan Burgess, also from Muncie, Indiana. There's a good look at the 028. There's the Fricke machine. There's the 336. 336, Ryan Angel. Craig Stafford's in the C96. He's from Thomasboro, Illinois. 62, as we said. Joe Thomas. 26, Josh Jones from Muncie, Indiana. Decker is the Ed Decker. Strike that, reverse it. Ed Decker is going to be aboard the Decker machine from Mount Blanchard, Ohio. And the 34 is, if he comes out, Cameron Solden from Illinois. But we also saw him in the mod trucks. Mini Trucks presented by NLR Derby Products, NLRDerbyParts.com. And that is a lot of room for those trucks to work in.
Yeah, I mean they're all on one end, and they're like excited now that they came out once on the track. And
right. You get all amped up.
Yeah.
Then you get the adrenaline dump.
They got like a dress rehearsal for this.
We still got some movement down there. Okay, looks like we were told we're going to go ahead and roll with what we have on the track. We're going to go with what we got on the track. The green flags are up in the air. Drivers and referees all ready. So let's go ahead and put the countdown. Break with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Here we go. Green flag is out, and our Derby Parts mini truck class is officially underway. And we got some trucks, a van or two. Steve Sickles running that minivan. Trying to get points, no matter how it happens.
Because you only take the points out of your best finish. Give yourself some options.
Yeah.
Up there, and look at who's free and mobile. Sickles. Remarkably high attrition rate here in the early going. These two guys were real locked. Sepra able to break himself free. Sickles now locked back to back at that 62.
Leaning on him, making him work. Everybody's broken free, back to the action again. Sickles going the other end of the track. Get away from the action a little bit. Oh boy. Oh, that's never good.
Nope.
Why would you do that? a shout out to Skylar Martin and his fiance. They're rooting for Mark Golden out there. Full-size trucks coming up later.
Got a bit of a rat's dust once more. C46, excuse me, C96, Craig Stafford from Thomasboro. See the bent rim on the left rear corner. Sickles is in the minivan. 26 is Josh Jones, and I think we're down to 4.
Camel cow truck there. It's kind of being the worst for wear right now,
Yep.
but he's being the early aggressor.
Back end starting to fall apart on him bad. That's Josh Jones from Muncie, Indiana, in that 26. Now the, whoa, big fire.
Get out of there safe. Get out of there safe. Come on, buddy. Good job. Move quicker than I could, that's for sure. Nice job by the officials being right there. GH Graphics red flag for this fire.
And that looks like he's going to be all done.
Yeah, that was a bit of a serious fire. That's not a let's give it another try kind of fire.
Well, that's Riley stuck over there in the middle there. That was Josh Jones exiting. Debate on whether that is going to be 4th place or 5th place, because the 62, Joe Thomas, was still moving but not able to make contact. Obviously, last contact between those two would go to the 26. But when you exit, you break your stick immediately. There may still be time left on the gray truck. Remains to be seen. We are down to,
well,
by the looks of things, 3.
Pretty sure that the official on the way out stopped at Jesse Cyprus' truck and said something about having a certain amount of seconds.
Okay.
But I couldn't quite hear enough of what they said. So maybe still on the clock, but running out of time.
Right on. So that is the C96 Craig Stafford in a purple and green machine. The minivan, that is Steven Sickles, and that 028.
Good shot there. Those small wheels helping a little bit, though. Really, that truck hasn't moved. It's a Durango, I think. This one right here. Pretty sure it is. Derby Parks trackside cam.
And that shot that just came from the C96 of Craig Stafford did some damage to the right front corner of that 028. You see the wheel locked up and leaned in.
Yeah, that's never good. Steve Sickles running that Iron State Promotions van, trying to represent Pennsylvania. Solid shot. Vance packing in nice. Did some work to get the backside curling up. Trick. That's how I'd say it. Ooh, we got a bent wheel on the...
Yeah. That's been bent like that for a while.
Just seems to be getting worse.
Yeah.
I think we're down to 2.
Sure seems like it.
Sickles able to literally drive circles around the competition here with the front wheel drive.
You know, that work that was done within the front of Stafford C96 starting to pay dividends for Sickles. You can see all that steam pouring out from under the hood.
Make him work. Seems a smart driver, man. He's got a lot of experience behind the wheel. He's driven a lot of different things. You know, he's known for being a compact driver, but he drives vans, he drives full-size. He ran a full-size car here at Bash a couple years ago. Did fairly well in it, too. I mean, the car was built very well.
Does fairly well in everything that we've seen him drive.
Yeah, he's just one of those guys that has the skill. Oh, that's... Oh, I was going to say he made a mistake there, but he had a little bit of room. And
Handy move.
Did
Man,
it just right.
thread the needle.
Wow. That's some driving skill. Might just be a matter of who outlasts who here. At the moment, Sickles, I believe, has the upper hand. Of course, all the work that Sickles has been doing with the front side of his van now has paid a price on his front bumper. The front bumper is starting to lose its coolant.
Right?
All right, I got 2 laps. That's good enough for me.
You know, there's somebody at home. Hey, there's not coolant in bumpers.
I'll get that message later. It'll happen.
You idiot.
Yep.
Well, you're talking about one outlasting the other. Look at the candles are lit on
Yeah.
the C96. That's getting hot.
Time clock is counting down on the C96, and it may have. Oh, I almost spoke too soon.
He probably said he was going to be good to it, and then you leave him.
Stop it. That's my line. And you said you didn't remember anything.
Who's driving circles around here now?
Right? Both these drivers working hard, but that steam getting thicker,
Yeah.
and I'm afraid that it's being tinged with blue smoke now.
Yeah. Oh, and just as
Oh, a lot of steam and
everybody's got blue smoke.
Blue smoke out of Sickles' machine. Wow.
Last contact.
let's
Last
try that one.
contact there for the C96.
Apologize, the smoke gives our cameras fits.
Yeah.
We'll do our best. NLRDerbyParts.com mini truck class winding down here as we get down to 2 drivers battling it out. Neither one wants to be the next to fall. Sickles in trouble.
Yeah, he's having some real issues over there along the wall.
Come on, camera. It's trying hard. Oh, listen to that van.
Oof.
That doesn't sound like it's going to work out very well.
Begging for forgiveness.
C96 going to take this one, I believe. Ooh, Sickles made contact. I mean, it was hard. It was hard to see through the smoke, but I saw the C96 shutter. They're still fighting back and forth.
Yep.
Travis O'Connell says Sickles' blinker fluid looks low also.
Yes. Yes. All lights, glass, and trim are supposed to be removed, so I don't know how the blinker fluid could be low.
Yes, you're right. Ben Uher rooting for Craig.
Officials are imploring these two to back up and give space. Good. Oh, handy driving right there.
Ooh.
Now watch Sickles flank, flank, flank.
Work him in the corner.
Yep. I'm not 100% sure, with all the steam and everything coming out of there, that Craig Stafford knew exactly where that van was after the officials told him to back apart.
Yeah, it had to have been hard to tell. Obviously, they have a little bit better view than we do from their perspective, but they got thick down there.
Boy. Staying out of the way.
Look at that. That's driving.
Yep.
Keep moving.
Not going to allow mutual
Make him
contact, not letting them get to him.
Stevens asking for a little more throttle.
Hit the brakes. Boy.
It's fun to watch. Nice contact there.
Yep. And right now, I believe the they might call
Mutual.
that mutual right there. So,
Oh, and the steam boils out.
oof. Sickles van's one of those cool one-cylinder models.
Yeah, you can watch the header on that thing rock back and forth.
When the win is this close, how tough is it to stay calm? You know,
Oh man, it's. I know you haven't been in this position other than maybe in RDP stuff, but the adrenaline is just boiling in you at this point, and you have to try to keep your head and make the right calls here. The best drivers that are successful regularly are the ones that can do that can control that adrenaline rush.
good grief.
Van's just begging for a break.
Yep. Sickles is being so patient with it. I tell you, Stafford has been smoking a long time.
Yeah, whatever engine he's got in that thing is a good one, or it was.
Yeah, it was.
Got to fire again.
Yep.
Sickles may not have enough throttle to get out of the way quickly.
Oh, man.
Keeps asking for it, and
Ah.
it keeps coming alive for him.
Yeah, whatever engine that is, he should get another one.
Literally, because this one's not going to be any good.
There's a great angle right there.
Impact Every Products does a great job of giving us this trackside cam view. Sickles to the wall.
Uh-oh, no, it won't go in reverse.
Suddenly, my transmission won't shift.
All of this, however,
Oh man, how quickly tides turn.
yeah, big time. Once again, packing him in. Careful.
That's going to be it.
Sure looks like it.
Checkered flags in hand.
And that's going to be Craig Stafford with the win. Second place to the 911 of Steven Sickles.